Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function context and data modeling. Let's solve it together. A school tracks its student enrollments each year as it gains popularity. Which function best models the growth in enrollments? T is in years, and E of T is the students. The years from 0 through 4, and the functions 300 till 857. To solve this kind of questions, the best strategy that you can employ is just substituting the values in given choices. So the 0 is we will substitute 0 for T. When I substitute 0 for T, I'm supposed to get 300. In the choice A, do I get that? Yes, 300, because 9 times 0 is 0, no, so 0 plus 300 is 300. Choice B. When I substitute, let's continue with this first. 1.3 to the power of 0 is 1, and this is 300 still. 1.5 to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 300 is 300. In the choice D, 390 times 0 is 0. Therefore, we can eliminate the choice D. Now I will substitute the second value, which is 1, in the given data. So when I substitute 1, I'm supposed to get 390. So in the choice A, 90 times 1 is 90 plus 300 is 390. 1.3 times the power 1 is power of 1 is 1.3. And when you multiply that by 300, you get 390. 1.5 to the power of 1 is 1.5. When you multiply that by 300, you'll get 450, which is not the we're looking for the value, so therefore we'll just go ahead and eliminate that. And now we're going to substitute 2 for the T, and you're looking for 507. When I substitute 2 for the T, 90 times 2 is 180. When you add that with 300, you get 480, which is not 507. Therefore, this couldn't be the answer. So now in the choice B, when you substitute 1.3, instead of T, you will just substitute 2. And 1.3 squared is 1.69. When you multiply that by 300, you will get 507. So therefore, this is the thing we were looking for. Therefore, the correct answer will be choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.